Take care of your vehicle with simple DIY maintenance. To replace the climate control air filter, open the glove box and remove the right side support. Press in on both sides and pull down to detach it. Press the right side of the climate control air filter cover, then pull to remove the filter. Insert the new climate control air filter, making sure the arrows point in the correct direction. For reassembly, simply follow the above steps in reverse. To replace the front windshield wiper blade, turn off the vehicle, then press the wiper stalk all the way down to mist. Lift the wiper arm, then push the blade down to remove it. Install the new front windshield wiper blade. Lower the wiper arm, and make sure it works properly. For the rear wiper blade, just lift the wiper arm and pull it to remove. Once the new rear wiper blade is installed, lower the wiper arm back into place and confirm that it works. If your windshield washer fluid is low, you can refill it yourself. When refilling, be careful not to overfill the windshield washer fluid. Windshield washer fluid contains alcohol and poses a fire risk. Drive only after refilling with caution.
Kia, movement that inspires.